Happy Mother's Day to all, especially for mothers, and Happy Mother's Day to a mother who is in the form of a goddess in music. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
And everyone gives gifts to your mother when it's Mother's Day. Like perfume, earrings, anything. But the best gift to give your mother is whatever you cannot do in front of your mother, do not do it behind her. Like hiding things from her, not cheating, all these things, whatever you cannot do in front of your mother, do not do it behind her. That's the biggest gift that you could ever give to your mother. So, imagine that your mother is a superwoman. She always takes care of you. She always does all these things for you. So you should also do that for her. And so that's why you should always take care of her every day. Imagine that every day is Mother's Day. How your mom always takes care of you every day, you should also. And I hope you do this, and bye.